What's up guys, we're here with Lauren De Laguna. In this video we're going to reveal 3 flirting tips that are guaranteed to work with any girl. Flirting technique number 1, you can purposely misinterpret what the girl is saying to make the conversation more playful, flirty, or sexual. So it will go something like this. Hey, how's your day?
It was pretty good, but I was so busy all day. I had to rush to come here.
Slow down, you don't want to come too fast now. Or, so what are you doing later?
Ugh, I'm so exhausted. I want to go straight to bed.
Wow, you're forward, want to take me straight to bed. God, I'm just not that kind of guy, Lauren.
Everyone here has looks, but nothing else.
Oh, thanks. You think I'm hot. I appreciate that.
I didn't say that.
Flirting technique number 2, playfully teasing the girl. An example of this might be something like, hey, that's a nice dress.
Thank you so much. I do love this dress, but I'm worried my ass looks a little fat.
Yeah, when you were backing up into the couch, I just heard beep, beep. You gotta put one of those stickers on it that says wide load.
Alex!
Lauren! Example number 2. So what do you do for work?
Right now I'm like an influencer.
Oh, cool. You influence a bunch of old dudes to jerk off to you?
Yeah, exactly.
He's so cute. Is it he or she?
It's actually, he's gender neutral. He doesn't identify as either man or woman. He identifies
I respect
as
that.
a dog. So if you could just be respectful of him, please.
Of course, no, of course.
Flirting technique number 3, playfully over-exaggerating what the girl is saying. An example of this might be something like, hey, how's your trip over here?
The drive was fine, but once I found parking, the walk was so long, my feet are literally killing me.
Wow, you almost got killed. Shit, let me call 911. You want me to put some first aid on those bunions?
Yes, please, I really need it.
Or another example might be something like, hey, it's good to meet you finally.
Yeah, it's nice to meet you too, Alex. Sorry for being a bit late.
Yeah, I thought I was gonna honestly die of old age waiting for you to get here.
It wasn't that long, was it?
It was long and hard.
Wait, what about that one date you had where you made fun of my dog parenting skills and then we fell in love?
Really? That was an amazing day.
Well,
You shoved the microphone in my
you shoved
face.
a big black thing in your mouth.
I love when big black things be shoved in my mouth.
I kind of felt that.
All right, hopefully you guys enjoyed these 3 tips.
Stop talking about just the tips.
It's okay, you enjoyed it deeply. Anyway, if you guys want to see more of Lauren, check out her channel. Link is going to be in the description. And if you haven't already, make sure to download my free Tinder ebook, which shows you everything you need to know to get better at online dating. Link is also in the description. Thank you for watching, and until next time.